Imagine realizing your long-held financial goal. Sharing the wonderful news with everyone you know may be your first instinct. However, what if everything were to be ruined by that celebration? What if disclosing to others is the riskiest financial error you could make? Here at Monetive, welcome. Today, we're talking about the one rule every wealthy person should follow. When you get rich, tell no one. Reason one is protect your relationships. You have to safeguard your relationships first. People's perceptions of you are altered by money. You become a bank instead of a friend or relative. All of a sudden, everyone has an urgent problem or a winning business concept. Relationships can be lost when you say no. However, saying yes could cost you a fortune. Reason two is ensure your safety. Secondly, it concerns your safety. You become a target when you flaunt expensive items in person or online. You draw thieves, con artists, and people you simply cannot trust. True wealth is about feeling secure and at ease, not about flaunting one's wealth. Reason three is avoid bad advice. Third, you won't get bad advice. Everyone turns into a financial expert when they find out you have money. Get-rich-quick schemes and risky investments will be promoted to you. You will be drawn away from the clever, dull plan that genuinely creates long-term wealth by this noise. Reason 4 is protect your mindset. Lastly, it safeguards your own mentality. Telling others puts pressure on them to appear wealthy. You believe that in order to prove it, you must purchase the large home and the expensive car. This lifestyle creep is a ruse. The true secret to staying rich is to remain silent, which allows you to live below your means. So, how do you do this in reality? Adopt a stealth wealth lifestyle first. This implies that you don't have to appear wealthy. Operate a typical vehicle. Live in a cozy but reasonably priced house. Don't let your ego grow in secret. Let your bank account. Then prepare a dull response. Simply respond, "We got a great deal," or "We just budget carefully," when someone inquires about your finances or a recent purchase. No one is interested in a dull story. Additionally, keep in mind that this rule applies to friends and social media, not to professionals. Speaking with a professional financial advisor is highly recommended. They are not paid to solicit money, they are paid to assist. They are there to safeguard your wealth, not to spread rumors about it. This isn't about hiding, after all. It has to do with freedom. The house you purchase or the car you drive are not true indicators of wealth. It's the silent assurance that you're safe. It is the tranquility of mind that no one can rob you of. Being able to live your life according to your own terms, free from the expectations of others, is what it means to be truly. Do this right now if you want more wise advice on how to safeguard and increase your wealth. To ensure you don't miss our upcoming video, hit the bell and subscribe to Monetive. I would now like to know if you believe that money can be kept a secret. Leave a comment below with your story.